Hello, Richard speaking from Eagle 6 Airsoft. We're going to be doing a test here on MWS that's had hop upgrades. So we've done a Laylax custom hop chamber. We've got the MWS Thor bucking from Psionic. We've got the Psionic medium tensioner, and we've got the Laylax MWS Tightbore barrel. And that's also, we've put the Eagle 6 150% buffer return spring in there because the original one was broken. So we're now just going to demonstrate it working. Bolt locks out, obviously single and full auto works, and like I say, all working and goes to the end of a mag on singles. So all good. Any problems, let us know, but otherwise I hope you have fun. Thank you.